Hi, and welcome to Gaming with Antoine. In this short video, I want to clarify 3 rules from the game of Carcassonne. First, I want to talk about city connections. In Carcassonne, city cards are only connected if they share an edge of a card. In this example, this part of the city is connected to this part of the city because they both share an edge of a card. So, if we take a look at this city and this city, those are not connected because in no part of them they share the edge of a card. They only share a corner, which makes them not connected. Also, if the red player were to play this way and adding his meeple that way, he would not be connected to this city because this part of the card is not touching edge to edge with this part of the city. They only share a corner. The red's player part of the city would only get connected to the green player's part of the city if in a later turn another card would be added in this way. Now, red and green share a city because all of the part of the city are connected edge to edge. What you just saw is a good example of a second rule I want to clarify. In Carcassonne, a player cannot place a meeple in a feature that is already occupied. In this example, the red player could not add to the green player's city and then add his meeple because there is already a meeple in this feature. But it's a really good strategy to try and add a meeple to a feature that will later be connected to another feature. In this example, as shown before, the red player could first put this card in play and add his meeple to this part of the city that is not connected. Then the red player could try and put a card that completes the feature and connects the city. In this example, this card would do that. Now, the red player and the green player share a very big city that will give them both the same number of points because they have the same number of meeple in the feature. The third rule I want to clarify is the rule about scoring. In Carcassonne, cities score differently if they are completed in the course of the game or at the end of the game. At the end of the game, cities will score 1 point per card and 1 point per shield for the player that controls the feature. In this example, the red player would get 1 point at the end of the game. The green player would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points because his city is composed of 5 cards and 1 shield. And the blue player would get 1, 2, 3 points. In their first games, new players sometimes make a mistake by counting this card twice. Remember, cities only generate 1 point per card at the end of the game and 1 point per shield. New players sometimes count this card twice because they feel that it contributes twice to the city. But, as I said, you only get 1 point per card that is in the city. So, the green player would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points, 5 for cards and 1 for the sheet. When completing a feature like this, in the course of the game, the player or the players that have the most meeple in the feature will get the points. When completing a city in the course of the game, each card will generate 2 points and each shield will generate 2 points. In this example, by completing this city, both the red and green player would get 16 points because the city is made of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards for 14 points and a shield for 2 points. I hope this video helped you in some way, and thank you for watching.